Today we are reviewing the new Kakuka K70 electric road bike. It has 700C wheels, a 250-watt hub motor, and it does have a 36 volts 7.5 Ah battery. Kakuka claims to be able to provide a range of about 70 km in pedal assist mode. Of course, we'll test the range in this video. It comes with a carbon fiber reinforced belt drive. There are no gears or chains, which means maintenance-free, smooth ride and a long life. One of the most striking features is the integrated screen. This is part of the handlebar, which is bright and very cool. On the left is the simple control pad that controls all computer functions, but not the headlights. By the way, the battery is not integrated into the battery system. It uses an external battery and is activated by the button on the top. Press the on-off button to turn the bike on. With the same button, you can switch the computer functions such as the odometer, trip distance and speed. Press up and down to switch between the 5 levels of pedal assist. Keep pressing down to activate the push mode. The throttle can be used at all 5 levels of pedal assist to help start the bike and achieve a top speed of 32 km per hour. You don't even need to pedal, you can just cruise along. Of course, the battery drains much faster this way. There is a speed sensor that detects when you are pedaling and it works really well. The rear hub is equipped with a 36 volts 250 watt XOFO motor. You can quickly enable or disable the throttle by pressing the right button next to the throttle. There are 5 levels of pedal assistance, from little help to doing almost all the work for you. Each level provides more support and gradually speeds up. Using the throttle will accelerate to the maximum speed at any PA level. It comes with a mechanical disc brake, 2 106mm discs and a cutoff sensor on the lever for safety. I usually prefer hydraulic brakes, but to be honest, these are good for stopping the bike. However, they are a little noisy. The horseshoe-shaped double-sided kickstand is great. It's very strong and lifts the bike very well. It doesn't rattle when you are riding. In fact, this bike is very quiet and doesn't rattle at all. The CST 700 by 32C road tires are great and have little rolling resistance. For the safety of night riders, there are reflective strips around the side panels. There is a plastic cover in front of the frame that allows the battery to be repaired or replaced as needed. The battery is hidden in the frame and cannot be easily removed, but it can be replaced if necessary. The charging port is protected by a plastic flap and the charging time is about 4 hours. At first glance, it looks like a regular bike, thanks to the integrated screen and cables that run inside the frame. The saddle and the grips are not genuine leather, but they are comfortable and look great. Great touch, Kakuka! It's great to ride this bike. It's comfortable, quiet and pretty fast. After reaching the top speed, you are on your own, without motor support. The design of the aluminum alloy frame is ideal for riders from 167 to 199 cm. The maximum load is 120 kg and the weight of the bicycle is only 17.8 kg. A very discreet e-bike, perfect for daily commuting and easy to carry when you need it. There is a reflector but no tail lights, bells or fenders. You can easily add accessories to this bike, just like a regular bike. I would like to see a 7 or 8 speed version of this bike in the future. The 250 watts motor is great, I have no problems climbing the hills. As for the range, I've made 48.5 km on a single charge. I rode uphill 3 times with a lot of motor support. Perhaps in a more conservative riding style, it will approach the promised 70 km range. If the battery runs out, you can easily ride this bike without a power supply. This is one of the quietest and the most comfortable bikes I've tested, but is not made for off-road riding. Assembling this bike is easy, it arrives almost ready for use. You can watch the step-by-step tutorial here. The Kakuka K70 was sold for only $1,099 when I was shooting this video. It has a 1-year warranty and free shipping in the US and Europe. There are not many road bikes of this quality in this price range on the market. This is an excellent electric bike. It looks like a premium bike and it's very easy to handle. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Comment, like and subscribe. Cheers!